So next thing in our series is the hole and threads. So this maybe takes a lots of time, so let's try to complete in a simple way. So for a hole purpose, what you can do is, so you can packet it always. For example, let's make a one pad of, let me quickly create a profile. Exit and pad it up to 40 and that's it. Let's hide these planes as I don't need. Right, now if you want to make a hole here, you can use the pocket option, but without using this you can make a hole here. So here you can see the hole option directly given, so click on that and choose a plane where you want to make that hole. I want to add a hole right here. See, a point is generated, so this point is you are also known as anchor point. And if you want to change the position, if you want to put this point in an exact location, you can do by clicking on this position option. See, by giving the dimensions you can properly constrain it. See, 50, enter, and this is also 50, enter. See, our hole is center now. Click on exit. See, the hole, the bend, this is a depth. So if it is a blind means you can give the depth, but if it is up to next you cannot give the depth, so it will cut the material up to the next surface. So in my case I'm choosing the blind option up to 20. Click on preview. So 20, okay, 20 diameter, so depth is about 20 only, diameter is about 1 only. See, so diameter is 15. See, it is making the hole. You don't need to sketch and pocket it. So let's talk about the types of the holes. Let's undo this. So the hole that we created now is just a simple hole, and let's see the different types of holes that are available in the Catia software. So tapered hole. So this means you can make the hole like this one. So you have to, only thing that you have to do is you have to specify depth and the angle. So the angle is about 80. Click on, double click, type, you can even put 60 on preview, click on OK. This is how you can use the taper holes. Just undo it. Let's say about one more hole, or else let me make one thing clear. So click on this. So let's see about one more hole type. I want to hole on the surface, and let's see about this counterbore. So the dimension that you given here for the diameter is a through hole. So and the dimension that you are giving here is a counterbore hole, which is always greater than the actual hole size. And you can specify the depth. So this is how the counterbore will looks like. And if it is a flat bottom, if you want a V bottom, you can add it. Here you can see the bottom option. I want to V bottom. Click on preview. Click on OK. That's it. This is about the counterbore hole. And let's make a one more type hole, that is countersunk on this surface. So the type I'm changing it to countersink, and here one more parameter is added. You need to give the angle. let's consider it as a 60. See, it is somewhat of counterbore, but it has a taper ends. That is the difference between the counterbore and countersunk. And last whole type is counter-drilled. So which has the combination parameters of counterbore and countersink. So here you can see the counterbore diameter, counterbore depth, and here you can even give the taper end. And the hole depth will be around 20. Click on preview, click on OK. See, this is how this hole will works. See, this is how it will be looks like from inside, right? So already told you about, if you want this point to be properly constrained, you can use this option. So let's wait here sometimes. So let's cancel this. So if you want to place this point at a proper location, you can do that by clicking on the position sketch under the hole definition tab, and you can give the dimensions in order to constrain it properly. So exit, make a sketch, make a hole, that's it. So that is all about holes, guys. So if you find anything helpful, and one more thing that I have forgotten to tell you is, okay, that we will discuss in upcoming video, the next video. So that is about threads.